Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when the Armored Core 6 Fires of Rubicon won't launch on your Steam. And to do this, what worked for me was to disable my antivirus. In this case I'm using Norton Security, so I simply turn it off, then launched the game and it basically launched fine. And after that I actually activated the Norton back on and launched the game again, and it worked fine for some reason. So I would recommend to simply turn off any antivirus, and after that try to launch the game, then close the game and you can activate the antivirus again and it should work fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.